Hey everyone, this is Mr. Everything, and I wanted to do, we'll see if it will be a quick video on this 2019 Boston Red Sox BP hat. This is the Hex Tech. I always wanted a Diamond Era, but now you can still get it, but I decided I like the Hex Tech better, and then I'll just compare it with a few others. So the first thing, I did purchase this from Lids, the new Lids. I wanted to see what their website was like. I did a previous video if you'd be interested on the Lids thing, but let me show you a few things here, so for people that ask, they're going to send you an email, and there's still one from last month. I think that one's good until the 7th of April, so it's still, that code's good, but then this is the one for this month, which will go until the 5th of, so this is how you have to do the pass. Now again, I talk about that in the other video. It's a terrible idea, or like way that they design it now instead of doing it the simple way. So then you can see here, I don't know if that order number matters or not, but took the discount, and then I had to pay the shipping, and then the fan cash is something new. I assume that's the Fanatics thing, but I didn't earn any, so I'm not sure what the point of that is. Now I think that there aren't that many videos on YouTube about this hat, so I just wanted to show it, just to see the difference between the Diamond Era. And I wasn't sure, because you could buy this on Lids, but you can also get these very cheap on eBay. And I kind of like the Diamond Era, the diamond texture better, but I don't like that B. It's like recessed in, and this is more like a standard 3D. So that's just because I don't have a Diamond Era to show you. And then when it came from the Lids, it was just in a brown box, no Lids logo on it, and it was just sitting in there like that. I can't remember if the old Lids had them in a clear bag. I think they did, but there was some like cardboard dust on it, which I didn't really like, so it would be nice if they put them in a bag. And this is the first hat I've ever gotten from New Era that the sticker was like crooked and not centered. But I personally moved them to here. I don't know, I just don't like them on top. I don't really want to get rid of the sticker either. And here's the Prolight from last year, which I can compare to. This is when I first got into New Era, so this was all I knew that they had. Personally, I love how light this hat is, but it does, I don't mind the rubber logos, but I don't like how thin and cheap this looks, just how it gets all wrinkled. But see, I like the rubber logo because the MLB logo comes out absolutely perfect. Not that it looks bad there, but it just looks nicer to me, and I never minded that. And I haven't really had, I mean, maybe if you really sat there and peeled at it, you can see maybe it's raised a wee little bit. But regardless, this is the current hat. And I'm not sure why people get the spring training, maybe if you go to the spring training games, because you're paying like $3 or $4 just for that ugly big rubber patch that just has like the grapefruit or cactus logo on it. I'd rather get the one that they're going to wear all year. And that's just compared to a regular on-field. You can see the differences in the texture. And I really like, though, with this, how I'm going to put this in a hat jack, so it'll probably make this want to be a bit more formed. But I love how soft it is. The World Series hat from last year is also what they now call the Hex Tech pattern. And that's one thing I loved. I thought it was just a 3930 thing, but it seems like these hats too, they're just it still retains its shape because of the sizing band, but it's just very soft in the back. And one thing, I always spray this on all my hats when I get them, and you can't buy this on their website anymore. But I saw people commenting about Lids, and someone that works in an actual Lids said that they still sell their stock in Lids stores, which isn't the greatest for me because it's in a mall and the mall's dying, so who knows how long it'll be there. but I'm assuming, because I thought that Fanatics only took over their online business, at least as of now. So maybe you can still find Lids products in store, because I do like getting these. And I mean, you can put like this on a good amount, but the more hats you get, the quicker this runs out. Now I would show the hat on me, but I haven't powdered my face yet, so I don't think I'm camera ready. But there's really not all that much to see. I just wanted to show off this texture. It feels great. It's nice and light, so I should get a lot of enjoyment out of this hat. Maybe I'll just wear the Prolight as more of a hat that I don't care if it gets as sweaty or messed up. But I'm pretty happy with this one. And the lids experience wasn't too much different and too bad, so I'm okay with it. So hopefully that gave you a closer look on this hat, because I can't find much of anything for these 2019 hats yet. So thanks for watching, and see me in the next one. Have a good one.